Hey guys, how's it going? Before anything else, you've got to watch this video.
Hey everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back. Just like every weekend, I'm here to show you the newest arrivals from Kafa. That's this week's new Kafa collection. Summer sale is live. Shop now before it's gone. See you next time. Bye.
Okay, so we just watched that together, Fao. If you want to learn how to make ad videos like this, stick with me till the end.
Own a clothing boutique or fashion store? Stop spending money on real models and expensive studio shoots. In this video, I'll show you a fast, simple AI workflow to create stunning fashion videos for any platform in just a few easy steps. Welcome back, everyone. Let's dive right in and get started. All right, first thing we need is an image of a clothing store. I've got a prompt ready for you, and I'll drop it in the prompts file. Feel free to tweak it however you like. I'm just gonna copy it from here and paste it into the prompt box on Google Flow. Now at this stage, I gotta set things up. I'll select image, set the aspect ratio to vertical, and set the output count to 2 images. Just make sure the model is set to Nano Banana 2 or Pro, and then finally, I'll hit that generate button. Awesome, that was quick. It already made the store images. Now I'm gonna check them out and pick one to use as our shop image. All right, once the store image is done, let's go find some women's summer clothing images. We can pull these from a bunch of different sites like Pinterest, or you can just search these terms straight on Google. And don't worry, I'll definitely drop those search terms in the text file for you. You can go ahead and download a few images, and then I'll show you how to use a prompt to get just the clothing on a mannequin, basically removing the human model so we can easily use them later on. I gotta mention something here. I'm not about copying other people's work, so instead of downloading these women's summer clothing pics, I'm just gonna grab the style name and generate the clothing images myself with a prompt. All right, in Google Flow, I'm gonna upload one of the clothing images I downloaded, and by using this prompt, which I'll drop in the text file for you, it's gonna remove the human model and leave just the clothes on a mannequin. It generated the images. I'm gonna download these. Might wanna use them on another site later. And to use this mannequin clothing shot, all you gotta do is drag the image into the prompt box. Now I gotta drag our model, whose image I already uploaded here, into the prompt box, and add the mannequin clothing shot in there too. Then, using this prompt, I'll drop in the text file. It's gonna generate our model wearing that outfit. So I'll drag the images into the box, hit generate, and just wait it out. It cranked those out fast. Let me open them up so I can pick one. You can go ahead and generate a couple images like I did. I made 2, and then just pick whichever one looks better. All right, now by giving it these 2 images, the model wearing the new outfit and the store image, plus this prompt, I'm asking it to place our model inside the store. And you can add to this prompt, take stuff out or change whatever you want, like switching up the model's standing pose, that kind of thing. So after dragging the images into the box and typing in the prompt, I'll hit generate and just wait for it to cook. It generated these 2. Let's take a look at what it came up with. All right, these turned out pretty good. All right, if you're not happy with the result, just keep trying a few more times until it generates the images you're looking for. From this point on, we don't need the model reference image anymore. We'll just work with the clothing style names. All right, let's keep this thing moving. I've put a bunch of clothing style names here in the text file, and separately we've got the outfit change prompt that includes these names. So all you gotta do is swap in the style name you want and use it at this stage. You might also need to change up the model's pose, like the body position or how the hands and feet are placed. So again, at this stage, I've got a prompt ready for you. And once you tweak it, you can get whatever result you're going for. All right, let's make that first change. I'm gonna copy this prompt and paste it into the box, and make sure you drag in the image of the model standing in the store. Then we'll hit generate and just wait for it to whip up the new image. All right, it made the images. Let's go check them out and see if they'll work for us so we can pick one, since we only need one image per outfit to turn into a video. All right, I made the rest of the images the same way you just saw. Swap out the outfit style name, keep the same prompt, and add in the image of the model standing in the clothing store by dragging it in. All right, here's the images we made. Now I'm gonna hand these images and this text over to ChatGPT and have it whip up an image to video prompt for me. And yeah, I'll give ChatGPT the same exact image that's going into the video tool too. All right, I'm gonna copy the prompt it wrote for me and save it in the text file so I can use it later in any video generation tool. Now, to actually make the video, I'm heading over to Qwen AI to get it done. All right, once we're in Qwen AI, we'll hit the plus button to make a video and select Create Video. Now, all we gotta do is pick the aspect ratio. I'm going with 9:16 for a vertical Instagram video. Then I'll paste the prompt into the box and upload the image. To upload it, you can just drag and drop the image right onto the site and it'll attach it to the prompt. All right, once the settings are done, I'm gonna upload this image that I made a video prompt for, then hit that generate button and just sit tight while it puts the video together. Awesome, the video's done. Let's hit play and see how it turned out. Just hit that button below the video to download it. All right, instead of Qwen AI, you can also use Google Flow to make the video. So let's go ahead and make the video in Google Flow using that same prompt and the same image. All right, I'm heading into Google Flow and setting things up. I'll select the video option, hit ingredients, choose vertical mode, set the video count to 1, and pick the VO 3.1 fast model. Then I'll drop the video prompt into the box, upload the image, and finally hit that generate button. All right, after a few moments of waiting, the video's ready. Let's go check it out. I'll go ahead and download it too, and I'll play it for you so we can see the result together. To download the videos, click on the 3 dots, then hit the download option and pick 720p quality to get it downloaded. Awesome, now let's hit play and check out how VO 3.1 Fast did with this one. All right, last step. We take all the videos we made with these 2 tools and line them up together in a video editing software. Then, after some editing, transitions, and adding music and effects, we'll export the final result. All right, I brought all the videos I made into a video editing program. I'm using Filmora for this one. We're definitely gonna need some good background music and a few sound or video effects. Once we've added those in, we can export our final piece. And to wrap things up, let's take one more look at the finished result together.
Hey everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back. Just like every weekend, I'm here to show you the newest arrivals from Kafa. That's this week's new Kafa collection. Summer sale is live. Shop now before it's gone. See you next time. Bye.
All right, guys, that's a wrap. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out. Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one. See you in the next video. Bye.